Hey there, solo traveler! Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, solo travel is an incredible way to see the world on your own terms. Ready to embark on your next big adventure? The thrill of exploring new places alone is unmatched. Solo travel can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life, but it comes with its own set of challenges. From navigating unfamiliar places to ensuring your safety, there's a lot to consider. So let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you master the art of traveling alone. With the right preparation, you can turn potential obstacles into opportunities for growth and adventure. First, let's talk about planning. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference. Research is your best friend. The more you know about your destination, the more confident you'll feel. Get to know your destination inside and out. Familiarize yourself with the local culture, transportation options, and key landmarks. Look up local customs, popular attractions, and even some off-the-beaten-path spots. These hidden gems often provide the most memorable experiences. Apps like Google Maps and TripAdvisor are great tools to keep handy. They can help you navigate and find the best places to visit. Next up, packing. When you're traveling solo, less is more. Pack light but smart. This will make moving around much easier. Make sure you have versatile clothing, essential toiletries, and a first aid kit. These basics will keep you prepared for various situations. And don't forget a good book or a journal. These can be great companions during downtime. Trust me, you'll appreciate having something to pass the time during long waits or flights. Now let's talk safety. It's crucial to stay vigilant and prepared. Always let someone know your itinerary. This way, someone will always know where you are. Share your plans with a friend or family member back home. Regular check-ins can provide peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Keep copies of important documents like your passport and ID, and store them separately from the originals. This can be a lifesaver if anything gets lost or stolen. Use a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your valuables safe. It's a simple way to deter pickpockets, and most importantly, trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Then, don't hesitate to remove yourself from the situation. Your safety is paramount. Making friends on the road can be one of the highlights of solo travel. It adds a social element to your journey. Stay in hostels, join group tours, or use apps like Meetup to connect with fellow travelers. These are great ways to meet like-minded people. You'll be surprised at how many people are eager to share their own travel stories and tips. It's a wonderful way to learn and grow. Speaking of stories, don't be afraid to engage with locals. They can offer unique insights into their culture and way of life. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. It shows respect and can make interactions much smoother. It also opens doors to new experiences. Locals often appreciate the effort and are more willing to help. Plus, locals often know the best hidden gems that aren't in any guidebook. These spots can make your trip truly special. Finally, be flexible and open-minded. Travel is full of surprises, and not all of them will be planned. Things won't always go as planned, and that's okay. Embrace the unexpected and go with the flow. Some of the best travel experiences come from unexpected detours. These moments often lead to the most memorable stories. Embrace the journey and make the most of every moment. After all, it's the journey that counts, not just the destination. So, there you have it, some essential tips to make your solo travels unforgettable. With these in mind, you're ready to take on the world. Remember, the world is full of incredible adventures just waiting for you. Each trip is a new chapter in your personal story. So pack your bags, follow your curiosity, and happy travels. The world is your oyster. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Your next adventure awaits. See you on the road. Safe travels and happy exploring.